Rivers government applauds Court of Appeal ruling on LG polls, says verdict validates Governor Fubara's decisions. The Abuja division of the Court of Appeal yesterday voided the judgment of the Federal High Court, Abuja, against the conduct of the October 5th local government area election in Rivers State. A three-member panel of the appellate court, led by Justice Onyekachi Otisi, held that the judgment of the trial court was delivered outside of its jurisdiction. The Rivers State government has, however, described the appeal court judgment as a pointer to more wins for Rivers people. Justice Peter Lifu of the Federal High Court in Abuja had in September set aside all steps taken so far by the Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission, RSIEC, towards the conduct of the October 5th polls. Justice Lifu also restrained the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, from releasing the voters' register used in the conduct of the 2023 general elections to the Rivers SIEC for the purpose of conducting the October 5th, 2024 local government elections in the state. Moved by the decision, the Rivers State government approached the appellate court to set aside the judgment on grounds that Justice Lifu lacks the necessary jurisdiction to entertain the suit in the first place. Delivering the judgment in the appeal, the three-member panel agreed with the appellants that Justice Lifu did not have the legal authority to hear the suit filed by the All Progressives Congress APC in Rivers State. According to Justice Otisi, Section 28 of the Electoral Act, upon which the judge relied on to assume jurisdiction of the case, did not cover elections conducted by states, but only federal elections, governorship and area council elections of the FCT. Besides the appellate court that held that Justice Lifu erred in law when he issued an order restraining security agencies from providing security during the poll. Justice Otisi subsequently set aside the judgment of Justice Lifu, which ruled against the election conducted on October 5th. The RSIEC had gone ahead with the poll, citing an earlier order issued by a high court in Rivers State, which had cleared the coast for the conduct of the October 5th polls. Justice Igwe of the Rivers State High Court had, in a judgment delivered on September 4th, ordered the Rivers State Electoral Body to conduct this Saturday's LG polls using the 2023 voters register. He also subsequently ordered that all the necessary arrangements be made to ensure the conduct of the election on October 5th, 2024 as announced by REC. While the suit in Rivers was filed by the All People's Party APP, that of Abuja was filed by the All Progressives Congress APC, which claimed that before the SIEC could announce dates for conduct of the local government elections, the voters register from INEC to be used for the polls must be updated and published 90 days to the poll. Celebrating the news, Commissioner for Information and Communication, Joe Johnson, said that the judgment has confirmed that Governor Siminalayi Fubara has always made right decisions. Speaking with Johnson, we expected it. We knew that the Court of Appeal would do justice to that setback that the Federal High Court tried to manipulate. But I am happy that he has confirmed that the governor makes the right decisions. This one is just a pointer to the many more wins that will come. I am believing God that in the affairs of Rivers State, all the matters that is before the jurists will get reasonable judgments and it will be favorable to all Rivers people. Also reacting, the state chairman of the Association of Local Governments of Nigeria, Ezebunwo Ichemati, said the appeal court judgment has reaffirmed the people's trust in the justice system. Ichemati, who is the mayor of Port Harcourt, said despite meeting the necessary conditions to conduct the election, Justice Lifu delivered a judgment disqualifying a poll to allegedly satisfy appellant's APC expectation. At the same time, the APC leadership in the state, led by Emeka Beke, has lauded the appeal court for setting aside the judgments of Justice Lifu on the Rivers LG elections. The factional spokesperson of the party, Darlington Nwauju, in a statement yesterday welcomed the judgment delivered by a three-man panel led by Justice Onyeka Otisi. We had strongly condemned the unpatriotic moves initiated by Mr. Tony Okocha and his co-travelers to target and punish local government workers, state civil servants, and indeed Rivers people by attempting to use the cause to deny the state her rights to federal allocation, he said. Well, what are your opinions on this? Make sure to leave them in the comments down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and make sure to turn on notifications so you can be notified when we upload daily content here on this channel. And make sure to share this video with your family and friends so that they know what is going on and they can give their own opinions on this. Now, let's see what other people have to say about this. See them, the judgment is pure because it favors them, but CLP and Igbo because of their hate for WIKE. If it favors WIKE, it is not pure. If not for WIKE, who is Fubara? It is only a jurisdictional issue that was determined by courts of appeal. The validity of the election or non-compliance with the electoral law of Rivers State remained unresolved. In any case, the final pronouncement remains with the Supreme Court. Hopefully, the government of Rivers State, with their notoriety for disobedience of court judgment, will comply with decisions of Supreme Court in the event it goes to them. Fubara is applauding this judgment because it favors and disobeys judgments that are not in his favor. We are watching. The same court of appeal that you disagreed with is ruling over the budget presentation. Those who are calling judges all manner of names hope this ruling is very sweet, while we are looking forward to seeing the ones that do not favor. Now that Justice Lifu erred in law by issuing an order restraining security agencies from providing security during the poll, I believe Justice Lifu has contravened the law as a justice of the law. The question is, what is Justice Lifu's punishment in order to deter others from committing? Fubara should reject and disobey this ruling as he used to do, now because our judiciary has messed up. Today, the judges are good because the judgment is in their favor. If he comes against you tomorrow, you should also compliment the judges. Well, these people have all given their opinions on this. Make sure to leave your own opinions in the comments down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and make sure to turn on notifications so you can be notified when we upload daily content here on this channel. And make sure to share this video with your family and friends so that they know what is going on and they can give their own opinions on this.